Hi, I'm meteorologist Bob Nunley. Let me bring you up to date on what we're going to be expecting for the winter weather that's coming our way as we head into the afternoon and evening. We have two weather bulletins to tell you about. One is a winter storm warning, counties south of I-70. All these ones you see shaded in pink are involved in that. And that does mean we're going to have some winter weather that could be hazardous for driving or dangerous or for driving around as we head into the evening hours. And for the most part, it's just going to make driving difficult. We're talking about perhaps a little bit more snow, a little bit more ice than we're going to see in some of the counties to the north. Now, in the northern part, just north of I-70, we're under winter weather advisory. That's in effect also as we go through this afternoon, starting this morning through tomorrow morning. And that's also, whenever you see one of the advisories, it means that winter weather is going to make travel difficult. We're going to see that in all these counties here shaded in the blue or purple as you see that heading into the event coming up. Now, we've been keeping an eye on Storm Team 4 Live Viper radar all morning long. And what we've seen for the most part is just mainly rain showers here across the Buckeye State, but we're also seeing a little bit of frozen precipitation, and some of this in the form of freezing rain, some maybe a little bit of sleet, and we're noticing that we're getting a little dry slot here with this rain and this freezing rain and ice as it moves its way up. But also far to the west, we're seeing some snow stretching from around Chicago to east of St. Louis, and we're going to be seeing all this type of precipitation make its way in as it gets colder here in central Ohio. The timing is going to be that we're going to see some of the ice developing as we head into the afternoon hours, just in time for rush hour. The timing on this couldn't be worse. We'll see the ice developing here with a mix of freezing rain and sleet, and then we'll see it turn into snow as we head into the evening hours. How much snow? That's the question here in the forecast. About 2 to 4 inches will really kind of do it here in the central Ohio area, but locally there could be a couple of places where it's a little bit heavier as we head down towards Logan, down towards Chillicothe, Lancaster, and over a little bit further to the east. So most places we're going to be talking about maybe 2 to 4 inches of snow. A couple of places may pick up just a little bit more, but it's not going to be a huge event here in central Ohio, or at least it doesn't look like that with the current track we're keeping an eye on here in central Ohio at this point. Now, looking ahead, temperatures have dropped considerably over the last few hours. We started out this morning in the upper 50s in many locations, like it still is in Newark and Zanesville, 59 degrees, also 59 at Cambridge, 58 at Athens. But notice some of the colder air is beginning to filter in from the east. So temperatures have dropped down in the 30s to around Bellefontaine at 32, 35 as we look at Marysville, 39 at Washington Courthouse, and even here in Columbus, where we did start out at 58 degrees, we're down to 43 now. So that kind of sets the way for that colder air kind of moving in as we head into the afternoon. Temperature will drop down to about 29 degrees by the time we get to 4 o'clock this afternoon. And then we're going to see temperatures top out at about 17 tomorrow, about 18 on Sunday. Monday's high about 25. We'll be about 20 to 25 for high temperatures for most of next week. And a lot of the days ahead, you see low temperatures in the morning in the single digits.